Musamseleku visited Mayeni's sisters together with Mayeni. He shows love to Mayeni in front of his sisters and he says, I love you so much. Musamseleku, when he is telling Mayeni that I love you so much, he is telling her deep down in his heart that he loves Mayeni so much, because even we saw those people guys are soulmates, Mayeni and Musamseleku. Even they fight or what, but he can try by his own means to fix things between the two of them behind the cameras. So guys, even Mayeni, when she took a decision to marry Musamseleku, because those people they dated and have a child in Pumelelo, those people they separated for a long time. Musamseleku go back to Mayeni again. Even he was married to Macele and Masaule, he go back to Mayeni and try to fix things, and Mayeni agreed to marry Musamseleku because Mayeni loves Musamseleku. The problem is Mayeni's family, her parents, they don't want Mayeni to marry Musamseleku because Musamseleku he want to have polygamy. But Mayeni didn't listen to her parents because she loves Musamseleku. We heard Mayeni was explaining to Tirelo that I didn't listen to my parents because she loves Musamseleku. Mayeni and Musamseleku, they are not separated, those people. Musamseleku can try with his own means. Even Macele knows that Musamseleku loves Mayeni more than her. Macele knows the truth that Musamseleku really loves Mayeni so much. He can't live without Mayeni. You know that Musamseleku, when he says to Mayeni, I love you, maybe to other wives he is pretending. But when it comes to Mayeni, he says, I love you. He is saying deep down in his heart, he truly said those words to Mayeni that, Mayeni, I love you so much. And he is truly saying those words than other wives. Because sometimes, guys, Musamseleku is a human being and they've got a one heart. He is in love with one person than other wives. Other wives, they have got their duties. You understand? But when it comes to be in love, Musamseleku is in love with Mayeni more than other wives. We don't want to lie, guys. Even he knows. You know that even you, when you are married in polygamy, you have to know that your husband is in love with one wife. Maybe other wives, even you, maybe you are helping your husband, but he is not in love with you. He can count you as your wife, but he knows deep down in his heart, deep down, he knows that he is in love with one woman. Musamseleku, he is in love with Mayeni only. Other wives, maybe he is pretending or giving them attention because it's the mother of his kids, what. But when it comes to be in love, Musamseleku is in love with Mayeni more than other wives. So sometimes it's like maybe we are, sometimes you are wasting your time to being on Istanbul, guys. We don't want to lie, because those things, Istanbul, maybe you are the one your husband, he doesn't love you, he loves another woman, and you watch it. It hurts, guys, that you are being in Istanbul, but you know that your man is not in love with you. Like, maybe he treats you different than other wives. You understand? Musamseleku loves Mayeni. Even we saw that day Mayeni leave Musamseleku, leave Muzumbe and go back to her parents. Musamseleku was admitted at hospital because of Mayeni. Musamseleku, guys, when it comes to Mayeni, he can try. You know that Musamseleku and Mayeni, they had a misunderstanding, a big misunderstanding on season 8 last episode, but those people, they fix. He can try, he can buy something to excite Mayeni, to buy a car, a house, or what. He can try to do things to excite Mayeni more than other wives, guys, more than other people. You understand it? So guys, Musamseleku and Mayeni, those people, you can't separate them. Even Macele knows that when it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku can do anything to Mayeni. Even Mayeni is wrong or right, because even Musamseleku understand when Mayeni, when she has for all his wives. But when it comes to Mayeni, Mayeni says you hate me. Musamseleku can try to fix things when it comes to Mayeni to be a right person. When a man loves you, a man truly loves you, when you told him that you are you hate me, he can try with his best.